Good day to everyone. Today I am going to explain 20 MCQ for nurses. It will help you for those who are preparing for the examination and those who are looking for upgrade their knowledge. So please keep watch on my channel. The first question is, in triage, yellow color indicates what? Option A, emergent. Option B, urgent. Option C, non-urgent. Option D, dead. The answer is B, urgent. The second question is, abnormal lateral deviation of vertebral column is option A, lordosis. Option B, kyphosis. Option C, scoliosis. Option D, osteoporosis. The answer is C, scoliosis. Third question, the paralysis of both upper and lower extremities is known as option A, hemiplegia. Option B, paraplegia. Option C, monoplegia. Option D, quadriplegia. The answer is D, quadriplegia. The fourth question is, Chvostek's sign is an indication of dash. Option A, hypernatremia. Option B, hypercalcemia. Option C, hyponatremia. Option D, hypocalcemia. The answer is option D, hypocalcemia. The position to be maintained for a patient with increased ICP. Option A, Fowler's position. Option B, Trendelenburg position. Option C, sideline position. Option D, supine position. The answer is A, Fowler's position. The sixth question is, the pressure to be set in an autoclave for a sterilization is option A, 15 lb. Option B, 5 lb. Option C, 10 lb. Option D, 20 lb. The answer is option A, 15 lb. The seventh question is, in lumbar puncture, the needle is inserted between option A, between L3 and L4. Option B, between L1 and L2. Option C, between L4 and L5. Option D, between L2 and L3. And the correct answer is option A, between L3 and L4. The eighth question, the compression to ventilation ratio in CPR in case of single rescuer. Options are option A, 5:2. Option B, 15:2. Option C, 30:2. And option D, 2:30. And the answer is option C, 30:2. The ninth question is, 1 tablespoon is equal to option A, 5 ml. Option B, 15 ml. Option C, 18 ml. Option D, 20 ml. The answer will be option B, 15 ml. The 10th question is, the preferred site for giving IM injection to infant is option A, gluteal. Option B, deltoid. Option C, vastus lateralis. Option D, umbilicus. The answer is option C, vastus lateralis. 11th question is, an agent which kills pathogenic bacteria called option A, asepsis. Option B, disinfectant. Option C, fomate. Option D, bacteriostat. And the answer is option B, disinfectant. The 12th question is, the symptoms of severe dehydration in an adult include all the following except option A, decreased thirst. Option B, dizziness. Option C, weakness. Option D, palpitation. The answer is option A, decreased thirst. The 13th question is, which of the following nursing intervention can prevent increase of ICP in an unconscious child? Options are: option A, avoid activities that cause pain or crying. Option B, lower the position of head. Option C, provide environmental stimulation. And option D, turn head side to side every hour. The answer is option A, avoid activities that cause pain or crying. 14th question, the enema given to relieve gaseous distension is which of following? Option A, cold enema. Option B, antihelminthic enema. Option C, carminative enema. And option D, purgative enema. And the answer is option C, carminative enema. The 15th question, for giving evacuant enema to infants, the quantity of the solution must be option A, 250 to 500 ml. Option B, 500 to 1000 ml. Option C, 250 ml or less. Option D, less than 20 ml. The answer is C, 250 ml or less. The 16th question, causes of fluid volume excess are except option A, congestive cardiac failure. Option B, renal failure. Option C, increased level of serum aldosterone. And option D, excessive bleeding. The answer is D, excessive bleeding. The 17th question, inflammation of stomach is called option A, stomatitis. Option B, gastritis. Option C, soreness. And option D, chelosis. Answer is B, gastritis. 18th question is, knee chest position is known as option A, cardiac position. Option B, supine position. Option C, lithotomy position. And option D, genipectoral position. And the answer is option D, genipectoral position. The 19th question, the position is used for the examination of the vagina and rectum and exercise for the postpartum patient. The options are option A, prone position. Option B, knee chest position. Option C, Fowler's position. Option D, left lateral position. And the answer is option B, knee chest position. The 20th and last question, local physiological effect of hot application are except option A, vasodilation. Option B, increased oxygen consumption. Option C, reduces blood flow. And option D, reduce blood viscosity. And the answer is reduces blood flow. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep watching my channel. Thank you.